We have a faucet with little to no pressure on the cold side and also on the hot. Stick with me, I'll show you how to fix it. Hello, I'm Josh, and if you're new to my channel, Mr. Plumber, I'll be guiding you through your plumbing projects. So leave a comment with your video request and be sure to subscribe and show your support with a thumbs up. If you have a sink that has little or no pressure, these are the three tools that you will need, unless it is a major problem. And if you stick to this end of the video, I will show you what I'm talking about, like a major problem. But in most cases, you're only going to need three tools to work on a sink that has little or no pressure. And here they are. First, you'll need adjustable pliers. Some folks call them channel locks. And you'll need a screwdriver. And then next, the third one is you need some type of utility knife. Again, first thing you try on here, there's the aerator. Remove it. Alright, once I remove the aerator, you see the debris down inside of this? Watch this. Flush those stems, get that stuff out of there. So it's just that simple, folks. Check with the aerator, and after you clean it out, you take the O-ring out and then push up from the bottom. Right there, push up. And it all comes out of there. And each one of these pieces will come out and you can clean them individual. To get the utility knife, that's why I got it there. But I've already loosened it up a little bit so I can use with one hand and videotape with the other. And this piece will come out also, but it doesn't have any debris in it because normally it gets caught in this one. Right here in the center of this, there's an O-ring, a rubber O-ring. I take it out. I remove it completely. And I do not install it back in. And then I put it back together. Make sure I wash this and clean this out real good. And it'll snap right together. Everything stays in place. Put it back in your aerator. The rubber. Again, I leave that one completely out. It went right in the center. But once I get it attached, check it out. Well, like I said, if you stuck with me to the end of this video, I'll show you the real bad issue. Well, I had a valve that didn't have no water pressure. I checked the aerator, checked the stems, had to cut the valve off, and look at the inside of this thing. Completely full of rust, dirt, all kinds of debris. That takes a whole lot more tools than just 3. But I wanted to show you. So if you see value in this video, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe.